Okie dokie. Wookie said, "Don't be messing with me, you little punk."
Yeah, and I wouldn't imagine it takes long to wear these guys out because of their age. Sophie, get down here. Get down here. Come on. Come on. Bosco's got a lot of energy still?
Yes.
Yes. Sophie, come here.
But he's gotten very lazy.
Yeah.
I'm going to show the world what you look like in the morning.
You post that on Facebook and you will not be my friend ever.
Oh, like that's a threat. You know how many people have disowned me because of Facebook?
It's true. It's true.